Let's read this question. So for this question, we have to find the power of a concave lens whose focal length is 2 meters. So we know that the given data is that focal length of the concave lens is given as 2 meters. Now we know that focal length is the distance between pole, focal length is the distance between pole and the focus. So, and we also know the sign convention that all the distances are to be measured from the pole. So to measure the focal length, we have to go in the direction opposite to the incident rays. So since we are going in a direction which is opposite to the direction of incident rays, so focal length of a concave lens is to be taken as negative. So focal length of the concave lens comes out to be negative, that is -2. Now we also know that power of a lens is given as 1 upon focal length, and we have to take focal length in meters. So power actually comes out to be 1 upon -2. So I have already explained you why I took this minus sign. So the power comes out to be minus 0.5 diopters. So what is the reason that -2 is taken for focal length? Because we are going in a direction opposite to the direction of incident ray to measure this focal length. Now what does this power equal to minus 0.5 diopter symbolizes? So it means the negative sign arising is due to the divergent nature of concave lens. So since the nature of a concave lens is divergent, so power is coming out to be minus. Okay, so the power of the given concave lens is minus 0.5 diopter, which is my desired answer.